Hi there! Picking the right tankless water heater can feel tricky, and in our experience, many homeowners aren't quite sure how to size. In other words, determine the ideal unit for their needs. Good news! This video series is here to make that easy, so you get all the performance you expect from your Stiebel Eltron system. We know that a tankless water heater can provide endless hot water, but how much water is that? And how much power is needed to deliver it? This information is made clear by our sizing charts. The answer depends on how powerful the water heater is and the temperature rise needed. As explained in our previous video, temperature rise is the difference between the temperature of the incoming cold water and the desired temperature of the outgoing hot water. Let's look at a sizing chart for our Tempera whole house water heaters. First, determine the temperature of the groundwater where the unit will be installed. This is important because it takes more power to heat 42-degree groundwater to shower temperature than it does to heat 72-degree water to the same temperature. Next, add up the flow rates from the taps that are typically used at the same time. This doesn't mean to add up the flow rate for every hot water tap in the house. Most households don't need to run hot water from every tap simultaneously. In our nearly 100 years of experience, the most common scenario is someone running a kitchen sink while someone else is taking a shower. So, if somebody regularly washes dishes while somebody else takes a shower, then you would add those flow rates together to get the maximum flow rate. Once you have the maximum flow rate for your house, use our sizing charts to see if the model you're considering can supply that flow rate in your area. Note that our sizing charts also list the electrical requirements of each model, which an electrician can help you verify. For example, in Montana, the groundwater is 42 degrees. A Tempera 24 will supply a hot water flow rate there of 2.6 gallons per minute. That's enough for one 1.5 gallons per minute shower and a bathroom sink simultaneously, or a typical 2.2 gallons per minute kitchen sink. The same logic applies to other at-home scenarios and temperature zones. We hope that helps. If you'd like a hand, check out our sizing guide here or reach out to our friendly customer support team. We're always happy to help. Ready to learn more? Click here for our next video on electrical requirements, or explore our channel for more tips on getting the most out of your energy-saving products.